Hello everyone, this is Bradley. Tonight we're having the 2021 fireworks show here in Van Wert, Ohio for the celebration for America's 245th birthday for the honor of 245 years of American history. I'm here in Van Wert, Ohio. Current time is now 9:58. I wanted to start it early just in case when they get ready to start, okay? And also, folks, today's my birthday, so I just want to make sure you all wish me a happy birthday today. Here, I'll probably. Oh. Oh, that was a loud explosion. Yep, this is the Van Wert, Ohio fireworks show here in Van Wert, Ohio, here on Sunday of Independence Day of July 4th, 2021. Current time now is 9:59. And I just want to let you all know, folks, to make sure I hope you all wish me a happy birthday since I just turned 31 today. And everyone who has a 4th of July birthday, I hope you all have a happy 4th of July, have a happy birthday. Oh look, there they go. Oh look, they got the red, white, and blue. Oh, look, they're my favorite colors. Red, white, and blue, man. It's time for the fireworks show, folks. Enjoy. Ooh, that looks pretty. Oh, I like those. Ooh. Ooh, that look almost like a heart with the apple in there. Awesome. Ooh, my favorite color is the red, white, and blue. Happy birthday, America. 245 years. Oh, that looks pretty. Ooh. Ooh, got some good Christmas colors up there too, folks. Got my favorite colors, the red, white, and blue. Oh. Oh, got some low ones right there. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Hope those people better be all right. Oh, the red, wine, blues, one of my favorites. Ooh. Oh, that one's pretty. Oh, that looks pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, pretty. Yes, folks, fireworks are so beautiful, aren't they? Oh my God, that's pretty low. Oh my God, I hope those people better be all right. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, the one with the heart. Ooh, that one was pretty cool, man. Whoa. Man. Oh my God, that's pretty low. Ooh. Oh, I love that one. The red, white, and blue, that is pretty. I love red, white, and blue. The colors of our country. Ooh, those look pretty, doesn't it, folks? Current time is 10:07 p.m. It's 79 degrees under mostly clear skies on this Sunday night of Independence Day. Having a fireworks show here in Van Wert, Ohio, for America's 245th birthday and my 31st birthday. Oh, I love that. Ugh. Oh. Oh, I like that one. The one with the red, white, and blue is one of my favorites. Ooh, that's a big O. Ooh, that one's pretty. Ooh, this is Howard Jones from 1985. Things can only be better. Ooh. Happy 4th of July, everyone, here in the United States. Oh, that one looked like a flower. That was like the one with the flower. That was pretty. Whoa. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Little ones. Oh man, well, those people better be alright. What a perfect night to be out here for watching the fireworks. Wherever you're out here in the United States, I hope you're having a great 4th of July this year. Celebrating for America's 245th birthday. 1776 to 2021, 245 years of American history. We're helping our country. Oh, the red wine blues. I like those ones. Ooh, pretty. Ooh. Oh. Current time is 10:14 p.m. love that one with the spider. Yeah, that's a good one. I love when they turn to everything for all fireworks here. Ooh, that one went almost like a flower. Ooh. Current temperature is now 80 degrees under mostly clear skies. Beautiful night to see a beautiful fireworks show. Yes, folks. Sometimes when they shoot all the fireworks in the sky all together, that's called the grand finale. Is when they shoot all the fireworks in the sky. Ah. Ooh. Oh, that was a good one, man. Like when they do the O's every time. That's pretty awesome. Yeah. Whoa. Yes, everyone. Fireworks do make some good, beautiful art. Whoa. they do the grand finale, I'm going to put on the... Oh, here it comes. Oh, here it comes. There it is. There's... Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday, America. 245 years. Here we go, we got more. That was good, wasn't that, folks? Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying the fireworks show here in Van Wert, Ohio. We hope you all we'll see if we get more fireworks maybe for next year for America's 246th birthday. Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that fireworks show, and I'll see if I get more soon, okay? We all have a happy 4th of July, and you all stay safe out there. Happy 4th of July, America. Happy birthday, America. And happy birthday to me and everyone who else has a 4th of July birthday. All right, you all have a good night. Happy 4th of July. All right, thank you. All right, bye.